Hey Gleek.io fans! This video will show you how to design a library management system using a UML class diagram. Open the Gleek.io app. Select Class Diagram from the dropdown. Our library system will enable librarians to add, update, delete, and display information about the books. Let's start off by creating our library database class. To create a class, just type the name of the class. Next, we want to give the class some attributes. To add attributes, hit Return and then use the Tab key to indent the attribute. We need listOfBooks, add, update, display, search, and delete. Some of these are methods. We indicate this by adding parentheses after the name. The next class is Librarian. Each librarian has a name and an ID. The methods the librarian uses are limited to issuing a book, returning a book, verifying a member, and ordering books. The plus sign before the name means that the attribute or method is public. A minus sign would mean that it was private. Member is the next class. This class lets our system track which books the member has checked out and also records their address. Members have a name, ID, address, a limit on the number of books they can take out, and the system tracks what date they joined the library. Now we need to create the transaction class. This is used for the process of checking books out to members. The attributes needed are about tracking the book and member who borrowed it, when it was checked out, and when it is due back. Our library needs to charge late fees if books aren't returned on time. We need a bill class. Some simple attributes here, such as date, the member ID, the amount due, while the methods again enable the bill to be created and updated. We also need some books, so that requires a book class. Book attributes include the title, subject, ID, publisher, and edition. The methods enable the system to display the book details and update its status. And finally, books need authors, so we'll create an author class. Authors just have the attributes name and biography. Now that we have all our classes, attributes, and methods, we need to define the relationships between them. To set up the database, we can right away describe the relationships between librarian and library database and book and author. A librarian has access to the database, while an author writes a book. Let's run through a typical library interaction. First, a member requests a book. The librarian then creates a transaction to cover the request and issues the book. For this next part, we have to assume that the member was a bit late returning the book. When this happens, the librarian has to create a bill. Our diagram is finished. I hope that this simple example has helped you understand how to create class diagrams. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like or share. Happy diagramming!